everyone, welcome to the next session on operations research. In this session, we are going to discuss about the assignment model which is used in operations research. In operations research, the assignment model is a special type of optimization problem used to assign a set of tasks to a set of agents, example workers to jobs, machines to tasks, in such a way that a certain objective, typically minimizing the total cost or maximizing the total efficiency, is achieved. The assignment model is a type of linear programming problem and a special case of the transportation problem where the supply and demand are both equal to 1. The model assumes that every agent can perform exactly one task and each task must be assigned to exactly one agent. So we are talking about the assignment model in operations research. We will talk about the transportation problem next, where the supply may not be equal to demand, but here the supply and demand are going to be equal, or rather I would say that the number of workers and the job to be assigned would be equal, or the number of machines to which you have to assign a task will be equal to each other. It will not be more or less. And they will be assigned one to the other. This is also a type of solution for the linear programming problem that we have been solving till now. Components of the assignment model: agents and tasks. There are n agents and n tasks. So here you can see very clearly that the number of agents and the number of tasks both are n and both are equal to each other. Cost matrix. A cost matrix is provided where the element Cij, this is the cost matrix element, represents the cost of assigning agent I to task j. The goal is to minimize the total cost of assignment. Decision variables. The decision variables xij represent whether agent I is assigned to task j with xij is equal to 1 if assigned, which means the number of agents and the number of tasks are equal, and xij will be 0 otherwise, which means your I is not equal to j. So possible that the number of agents are more and the tasks that you assigned are less, or maybe the number of tasks are more and the number of workers are less. Mathematical formulation. The problem can be formulated as an integer linear programming problem as follows. Objective function: minimize the total assignment cost. So you'll minimize z, which is summation of I is 1 to m and summation j is 1 to n for the terms Cij, this is the cost factor, and this is the decision variable. I and j are the number of agents and the tasks to be allocated. Subject to constraints. First, each agent is assigned to exactly one task. So here you can see summation of j is equal to 1 to n, xij is equal to 1 for all I is equal to 1 to n. So as you can see, I will take values from 1 to n and j will take value from 1 to n, and here the summation will be equal to 1. Each task is assigned to exactly one agent. Again we'll take summation I is equal to 1 to n, xij is 1 for all j is 1 to n. Decision variables are binary, xij is equal to 0 or 1. This is binary because it will either take value 1 or 0. Solution methods. Hungarian algorithm. This is the most efficient method for solving assignment problems. It operates in polynomial time and is well suited for small and medium sized problems. It focuses on reducing the cost matrix and iterating through zero cost assignments. Now we are going to use this technique, that is of Hungarian algorithm, for solving the assignment problems, which will be starting from the next session onwards. So here we are going to assign one task to one worker. This method is basically used when you want to reduce the cost matrix and you have to iterate through zero cost assignment, which means you would want to give some value to your assignments. Branch and bound method. This method can be used when solving larger or more complex assignment problems, especially when integer programming solvers are involved. We will also go through this when we are solving the integer programming problem, the IPP. Simplex method modified. In some cases, the simplex method of linear programming can be adapted to solve assignment problems, though it is less efficient than the Hungarian algorithm. So you can also use the simplex method. Lagrangian relaxation. For more complex variations of the assignment problem, such as adding side constraints, Lagrangian relaxation techniques can be applied. So this is also another technique which is used for the assignment problem when the variation is more complex type. Variants of the assignment problem: balanced versus unbalanced. In the standard form, the number of agents equals the number of tasks. This is called as balanced problem. If the numbers are unequal, it is called unbalanced. Dummy agents or tasks are added to balance the problem. So in case the number of agents are less, or if the task is less as compared to the other, what we need to do is we need to add a dummy row or a dummy column. So that will help balance the problem. Maximization assignment problem. Instead of minimizing cost, the objective is to maximize the profit or efficiency of the assignment. Multiple assignment problem. Each agent can be assigned to more than one task, or each task requires more than one agent. This introduces additional constraints into the problem. So multiple assignment problem is also there when you have to assign one agent to more than one task, or each task would require more than one agent, for getting it completed. So in that case, we will have to go for multiple assignment problem. It is a bit tougher as compared to the regular assignment problems where you have to assign one to the other. So here is an example. Suppose there are three workers, W1, W2, W3, and three jobs, J1, J2, and J3. The cost matrix of assigning workers to job is given over here. The objective is to minimize the total assignment cost by selecting which worker should be assigned to which job. So suppose if this is the problem given, how you would solve. Now, I am not showing you the steps in this session because it is all about the theory here. I will show you the steps in the next session where we are solving the problem. Next, we'll talk about the applications of assignment model. Job assignment: assigning jobs to workers in such a way that the total cost is minimized or the efficiency is maximized. School assignment: allocating students to schools based on preferences and capacities. Vehicle routing: assigning vehicles to routes for transportation or delivery services. Task scheduling: assigning tasks to time slots or machines in production planning. The assignment model is widely used in logistics, workforce management, project scheduling, and many other fields where resources need to be optimally allocated to tasks. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood what is assignment model and its use in OR. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.